Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to disconnect the wire terminals properly from our control board. Let me show you guys. We have different types of connectors. Sometimes connectors comes with glue. We need to use a little flathead or flat drive to remove the the glue. In this case, I'm gonna use flat drive like this, and I'm gonna hold with my hand the connector, and I'm gonna start remove the glue like this. Okay, after that I'm gonna push this little tip right here, and I'm going to pull the connector, and I got it. Let me show you. This is the little clip. If you push, you can see how this is open, and then release the connector. After that, we have another kind of connectors. We're gonna start removing the plastic protector like this. After that, let me show you guys. If you see this kind of connectors has a little clip here, you can push this clip, you can push down, and you can pull the wire like this. Let me show you. Okay, let me explain to you how it works. If you see this terminal has a little hole, and that little hole fit this little tap. Let me see. 1 second. Okay, if you see, here is the little tap, and then this tap keep the connector in place every time you plug it. If you want to remove it, you need to push this little clip. Okay, I'm going to remove the second one. Remember, remove the plastic cover, push the clip, and pull the wire. Easy like that. Okay. And this side we have similar connector, but in this case comes without the clip. Then remember, remove the plastic cover. After that, you can see this one has the hole in the middle. Let me do some. Okay, then if you see, guys, we have the little hole, and is the tab inserted through the hole. Then we need to push this tab, but in this case we don't have the clip. Then we need to use something like a screwdriver, something with a fine point like a nail or screw. And then after that we can push the tab into like this. Let me show you how this connector is. If you see in the middle we have the little tab. You see? And the terminal has the little hole. Then I'm going to remove the second one. Remember, I removed the plastic cover. After that, using a screwdriver like this, you can push this like this little tab and pull like we have different ways to do it. If you don't have something like the screwdriver, but if you have the flat driver, let me show you how to do it. If you have a flat driver, you can use like this, and you can turn the flat driver. If you see the connector comes out just with the flat driver. Okay, then after that, this is the way to remove the wires from the control board. Just remember, before I start, I forget telling you, remove the the power cord from the outlet, turn off the treadmill, and you can start to remove the wires. Okay guys, I hope this video helps to you